Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mysterious realm of the internet, the dark web. You've probably heard about it, but what exactly is it? And what lies beyond the familiar territory of the surface web? Stick around as we unveil the secrets of the dark web. What is the dark web? Before we delve deeper, let's understand what the dark web actually is. The dark web is a part of the internet that traditional search engines like Google don't index. It's hidden from regular users and requires specific software, like Tor, to access it. This anonymity is both a blessing and a curse, making it a breeding ground for all sorts of activities. Navigating the dark web, a guided tour. Let's take a virtual tour of the dark web. But be warned, it's not a place for the faint-hearted. We'll start with the Tor browser and explore some of the most infamous marketplaces, forums, and hidden services. Now that we've seen the dark web in action, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the downright ugly sides of it. On one hand, it offers a safe haven for journalists and activists in oppressive regimes. On the other hand, it's notorious for illegal activities like drug markets, hacking forums, and even human trafficking. Unmasking cybersecurity threats. One of the biggest concerns about the dark web is its role in cybercrime. We'll speak with cybersecurity experts to understand the threats posed by cybercriminals who lurk in the shadows, selling stolen data and launching attacks. The battle against dark web criminals. Governments and law enforcement agencies are constantly battling against criminals on the dark web. We'll interview a cybersecurity specialist or law enforcement official who will shed light on the ongoing efforts to track down and bring these criminals to justice. Ethics of anonymity. Should the dark web exist? The dark web raises ethical questions about privacy, freedom of speech, and anonymity. We'll discuss the pros and cons of having such a hidden part of the internet and explore different perspectives on this controversial topic. Exiting the dark web, safely back to the surface. If you're curious but hesitant about exploring the dark web, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll guide you on how to exit the dark web safely and protect your online identity. Conclusion. And there you have it, a glimpse into the enigmatic dark web. It's a place of contradictions, secrecy, and hidden wonders. But remember, staying cautious and informed is crucial while navigating the web's darker side. If you found this video intriguing, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more tech adventures, and let us know in the comments what other tech mysteries you'd like us to uncover.